Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. On my channel you can find lot of videos related to hauls and reviews. Under hauls I have like videos for makeup, clothing, skincare, accessories. Under accessories I have bags, footwear, makeup accessories. I think you name it, and mostly I have it on my channel. Like that videos I have it on my channel. And under review section I do have reviews for lot of products for makeup, skincare, as well as I have lot of video like reviews for clothing item as well. And I have a separate playlist for new launch product, that is the product which are just recently launched. I have a review on that, like I have a separate playlist on that also, as well as I have a separate playlist for comparison of two products. So if this is what you are looking out for, then definitely do consider subscribing my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there's a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, if you want, even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to become friends with me, that is, if you want to send me some messages, DM me, you want to ask me anything, then definitely you can follow me on Instagram. The link of the same will also be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that as well. Now today I am going to review, not exactly review, I am going to share my experience. I have got a new launch product from Asfa Halal. It is their compact powder. From the thumbnail you all must have got a little bit of idea, but then definitely I would like to tell you, I have got this product by my own money. Nobody is sponsoring me. I've got by my own money, and like this is the box in which I got it. Y'all must be aware Asfa Halal is, I think, exclusively available on Purple, and I got this from Purple itself directly. Okay, when you see the compact packaging, let's directly dive into the video. I will not stretch. The packaging of the compact is this. It comes in this kind of cardboard packaging. Okay, over here like it is kind of a pista green, and this was sealed in this kind of plastic wrapping. I have just kept it to show you that, so that you will have little bit of idea. Okay, they have written Asfa Halal compact powder with SPF 15. Yes, this compact powder includes SPF. Alright, now this do come on, and like this do come in 4 different shades. The shade which I got is the darkest shade, the shade number 4. Okay, the shade number 4, Cream Cafe. When you just check the packaging, each and every details are given on the back side. You all can see the ingredients, the manufacturing, the expiry, as well as the MRP. Everything is given, as well as they have written this is halal certified product. Now you all must be aware what is halal certified and all, so I won't go in detail for that particular point, but this particular product is 100% vegan, vegetarian friendly, so that is vegan friendly, vegetarian and halal certified, this particular product. Now this compact, they do claim that this is going to give you silky matte finish. I can't exactly guarantee you for that, because I do belong to dry skin family. So silky finish I can give you, like I'll just apply in front of you and then only we can come to the conclusion, but matte I cannot tell you, because since I do have dry skin. Alright, they say this is enriched with vitamin E. It is what is specified on the website of Purple under this particular category, that is the compact category. If you check the description, in that they have specified. This covers, like this has high coverage, as well as this is long lasting. Okay, as well as they say this is going to minimize the pore appearance, that is the large pores whatever you have on the face, or not exactly on the face, on the cheeks. Generally lot of people have that problem, so this is, they say this is going to minimize that particular thing and covers all imperfections. Now I cannot guarantee you for that also, because touchwood I do not have lot of imperfections on my face, but then definitely you can try for that also. And like this is in the shape like square shape, you all can see this is the particular compact what I'm talking about. The color is very pretty. It is a pista green kind of packaging. The same, it is like the same. The box is like half of the, no, not, this is not half, 1/3 of the box is like printed, and half, like the 2/3 is basically the green, light green color. Okay, now the compact inside is plastic and it is square. When you just turn the packaging, on the back side they have given you each and every detail Okay, that is Aswa Halal compact powder with SPF 15. SPF, you all must be aware, it is sun protection factor. SPF 15 Cafe Cream 04 is the shade number. It is manufactured by from where exactly, plus they have given their ISO certified number, batch number, manufacturing, expiry, and the particular MRP. The net content in this particular compact is 8 gram. That is in general 8 grams of, generally compact comes in 8 grams itself. Okay, when you open the packaging, here they have given you a small slot, not exactly a slot, there you have to just like do this way and the compact opens. Okay, over here they have given you a square good quality mirror. Okay, it comes with this kind of puff, no name or nothing, it's only normal puff. Okay, also to cover the compact, a plastic sheet is come, like it does come with a plastic sheet film. Okay, and this is the particular compact. This is the shade of the compact, and what I have got is the darkest 04 Cafe Cream. I generally forget, yeah, Cafe Cream 04. Now what I'll do is I'll just swatch this particular on my hand, and I have actually not set my face with the compact, so I'll just see, this is the compact. I'll just swatch here. You can see, okay, it actually matches to my skin perfectly, right? So this is like, it matches to my skin. Okay, because this skin is a little bit darker than my face skin, and also like this is matching to the skin. What I'll do is I'll just take my powder application brush and I'll just apply it all over my face, and then we will just see. I have already done my full face of makeup, not set it with any powder. So I'm just taking it. Yes, it does have some fragrance because I can smell. Yeah, I think this is going to be matte from my this thing. From when I apply it, from that I can definitely tell you this is going to be matte. Okay, so definitely this comes in 4 different shades, so you can just check. My MAC shade is MAC NC 43.5, and Maybelline and all, if you want to know, definitely you can let me know. Also I have like reviewed lot of new launches. If possible, I'll link one by one videos up in the I button as well as in the description box, so you can check that as well. Now I have basically covered each and every point. This comes for SPF 15. So if you are, do not skip, I'm not telling you to skip the sunscreen, but if you are not having time and you just want to apply some compact with SPF, then definitely you can go for this. Now why I'm telling you you can go for this, because Lakme Sun Expert, this compact doesn't come under any, like this doesn't come in any shades. This is like, it's only a universal shade, whereas this comes with the shade, 4 different shades. So if you are from lighter skin category, definitely you can go for this. And like I have told you each and everything, the price I have told you, I'm not sure, 249. If I have 249, yeah, 249. Somehow I don't know, I can read here 349, maybe printing mistake or something, or maybe letter is misprinted. Okay, 249 is the MRP, but during the sale times, and in any case Purplle do runs lot of sales and offers, so during that time you can check this product. It is a very good product. Now one thing I would like to tell you, if you want me to make a separate comparison, I'm not going to do any comparison in this video because this is purely a review video. If you want me to make a separate review on this particular Stay Quirky Nudies compact, or as well as with this Lakme Sun Expert, because this has a sun protection factor, this doesn't have, but this is also the in-house brand of Purplle. So if you want me to make a separate review comparison video of this both, then definitely do let me know in the comment section. I will be definitely making a separate comparison video, and I will check in my vanity if any other compacts are with SPF. I'll definitely get all the compacts and I'll keep it, and I'll just tell you each and everything about that particular, like we can compare this with all the other rest of the compacts. right. And yeah, basically if you have any other questions to ask me related to this product, or maybe in general anything, you can definitely let me know in the comment section. Or else if you have any other video request which you want me to make a video on, that also you can definitely let me know in the comment section. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible, and I'll try to revert you as soon as possible. And that is all for today's video. Hope you like this video. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.